Hey guys, channel to my welcome.
Huh?
Hey channel to my guys to my welcome.
Anyways, we are going to Panchgani by bikes. We have Samir with us.
Darshan.
From Pune. Panchgani is kind of 100 plus kilometers. So let's go. My bro is all ready with the gear and Darshan also. And I am without gear. But anyways, let's go start.
Bro.
You're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks on me spinning, baby. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. You're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks on me spinning, baby. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda.
Yo.
Life's simple. You make choices and you don't look back.
Here's Rishikesh.
Hey Darshan, hey practice rehearsal rehearsal.
और ये मैं आसमान की ऊंचाई हूँ मैं
Okay.
भैया जी
Oh pilot. Nice.
गाइस सरप्राइज, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर,
सब्सक्राइब,
फॉलो गाइस,
घंटी।
चैनल को घंटी सिलेंडर कर दो गाइस।